So behind me, we have one of the most affordable single-story new construction homes that has a 3-car garage here in the Las Vegas Valley. Don't go anywhere, guys, because we're going to be touring this DR Horton floor plan here at Heartland Manor. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to buy, move, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today is April 21st, 2025, and today we are here at Heartland Manor by DR Horton here at Tule Springs. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're about 25 to 30 minutes north of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Tule Springs is a new area just in the north side of Las Vegas, okay? It's a master plan community, has plenty of parks close by. I believe it is gated as well. Okay, so beautiful area, new area. Now this is phase 2 of Heartland Manor. They actually just closed out of phase 1, but I will go ahead and have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, all single story homes, guys, ranging from about 2,300 square feet all the way to 2,754 square feet. Now the 2,754 square feet is by far their most popular plan. It's gonna have the next gen suite in it. Whenever you look at the base prices, base prices are gonna the 581 to 667. Just know that the only thing they don't add on to that is the lot premiums. Okay, so here at this community, you're looking at lot premiums from about 30 to 60 grand. And that could change too, okay? I'll have a map of the lots on the community on the screen for you guys. So the lots that you see on the top, they're not gonna have any neighbors behind you, okay? So they're not gonna be building any homes back there. So that's why they have like a higher lot premium, guys. Now the HOA here, you're looking at $110 a month. And then you also have a SID payment here. That's gonna be $718 that you pay twice a year, okay? Every 6 months. Now the balance for the SID is going to be $18,187. So when that balance is paid off, you no longer have to pay your SIDs, okay? I'll also put a little video on the screen for you. I did a short about what a SID and LID is, so you could definitely check that out. The average lot square footage here is gonna be about 7,000. Now, when I was looking at the community map, there's gonna be all sorts of different sizes of lots around here, okay? But on average, 7,000 is what you could expect. Also too, these are all spec homes, so the builder is gonna pretty much choose all the options and put them in the house, and then by the time you get into contract, you'll be about 2 months away from completion. The only option you get to choose is maybe flooring, okay? That just really depends how soon you get into the community and the lot, okay? But yeah, guys, that is about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 2538. Now this is gonna be a single story, 4-bed, 3-bath, single story, 3-car garage, and the base price is $626,000. Now out the door, could really depend. They sold one for about $696, but lot premiums again are going for about $30,000 to $60,000 right now, okay? Now, the paver driveway is included. The desert landscaping is included. In the garage, what you could expect is you'll have a soft water loop. You're gonna have a hose bib in the front, the backyard. You'll also have the holiday outlet package. So you're gonna have an outlet like close to the roof, so that way you could put your holiday lights. Cool, but yeah, let's take a look inside here. So you have this nice large 8-foot door. Video doorbell that is included as well. Okay, so welcome in, guys. You have 9-foot ceilings. So the way the floor plan is designed here, to the left, you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms. Okay, so you got guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2. You're gonna have your laundry room right here. You'll have your garage, 3-car garage. This is gonna be your 3rd bedroom. You're gonna have your primary bedroom back in that corner, and this is gonna be your main living area right here, okay? So kitchen, dining room, living room. But yeah, let's go ahead and start at the front. Don't worry about don't mind the accent walls. The green accent walls won't be included. It's just gonna be something similar to like this color right here. Or actually, I would say white, because this one's actually like a tan color. Okay, so what you're seeing up there, that is the light, but you can switch that out for a ceiling fan light. It's a really good size room too, because this is a full size bed, so you definitely have some space over here. So you got the 2 windows to allow for natural light to come in. You have the transfer grill up there that's gonna regulate the airflow within the house. Okay, that's also gonna prevent doors from slamming if one of the windows is open and, you know, wind gets into a room. So this is a pretty large closet right here. Okay, it looks like it's like a 3-door closet. Every room's gonna have a smoke detector. In the hallway, you're gonna have a smoke detector / carbon detector. Here is the full bath. Okay, so nice. You have like a pretty thick countertop right here. And it's cool because DR Horton is actually, they're adding more cabinet colors to their, you know, like usually the type of material they use. They're adding more options in there, which is cool. They're bringing some of the brown cabinets back. But nice brown, not like the old school brown ones. And here's the other bedroom. I would say this is about the same size. If you ask me, I would say this is probably 11 by 12. Okay, you got your window right over there. This one just has, it's the 2 sliding door closet right here. Cool, so as far as the flooring here goes, you're gonna have vinyl plank. Okay. So yeah, most of the spec homes that they're gonna be building are gonna have the vinyl plank. Okay, door to the garage. Right here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Now the washer, dryer, and refrigerator are not included. Okay, but anything that you see here that is included. Yeah, so DR Horton, they have their other line, which is the DR Horton Express. That's where they include the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. But the standard DR Horton line, they don't include that. But the good thing about the standard DR Horton line is you have nicer standard options, which I'll show you once we get into the kitchen. Okay, so you have your linen closet right here. Cool, looks like they have like the round corner edging. Okay, nice open living area. So right here, we're gonna have your coat closet. This is the smart panel box. This is where you're gonna connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the bedroom. Also, this is a really good sized room as well. Now, if you guys are watching this channel and you've been watching some new construction communities, new construction homes, and you're itching to go to a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you guys on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because once you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask you for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you give that to them, they're gonna jot you down in their system as being unrepresented. And then it's gonna be really hard to represent you at that point. Now, the only difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. and we look after your best interest. So definitely, get yourself some representation. Okay. Cool. So you got the walk-in shower, you got your single sink, toilet room. Okay, that's cool. This bedroom has its own full bath. But yeah, nice open living area. Now guys, the only other place that they build these floor plans right now in Vegas is going to be in Cadence. Now the difference between this master plan community and Cadence is Cadence doesn't charge sit-in lids, or SIDs. This community does, okay? They're both master plan communities. Wow, look, really good size pantry. Okay, again guys, refrigerator, washer and dryer is not included. But again, everything that you see here is included except for the backsplash, okay? So you're gonna have the 42-inch cabinets. They rotate between a couple of colors, I believe like 3 or 4 different colors. The countertop, they have a couple in rotation as well. Now the built-in cooktop, that's part of the DR Horton line. The Express does not have this feature right there, as well as the built-in oven. Okay. You also have soft closed cabinets, which is really nice. So you got your little side window right here. Okay. Very functional floor plan, for sure. Nice open area, and then I love where the bedrooms are located. Now this is going to be the primary bedroom. Guys, this bedroom is massive. Okay, so take a look. I mean, that's a king size bed. To give you a perspective, look how much room you have right here and on the sides. Cool. Looks like in the primary bedroom as well, you're going to have 4 can lights, as you can see. And then you have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan right there. Okay, nice open entry right here, heading towards your primary bath. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. So you have 1 closet. So you have 2 walk-in closets. Okay, his and her closets. This is the other one. Okay, nice. You have the walk-in shower. Good size walk-in shower. Then you have the separate tub right there. Toilet room. Dual sinks. Guys, the brown is coming back in for sure. I'm definitely seeing more and more of the browns. They look good. Yeah, no, I think it's like a beige color, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be white. They're gonna use to paint the house. Cool. I'll show you guys the backyard. Now in this community, lots come in. I looked at a little picture of the map. There's gonna be a lot of different size lots here, okay? But the average is gonna be about 7,000 square feet. Okay, guys. Also too, when you move in, it's just gonna be a completely dirt backyard. So your front will be landscape. The backyard will just be dirt. Okay, so we have your 2 condensers on this side as well as your gate. All right, cool. It looks like we have a condenser over there, as well as, we got 2 gates over here. Looks like there was a gate on each side. I'm not too sure if that's just because it's the model or if you really get 2 gates in each side, but if you're curious, let me know. For sure, shoot me a text. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, my info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.